All right, so anyway, this seat is like completely broken. I bought it on Amazon, and you know, they're cheap, so I got a new one. Let's take a look and see what, oh, here we go. And this one's supposed to be more comfortable. It's a little bit bigger, so we're gonna try that one out. I'm gonna try putting it on. All right, I have a number of bike tools. I'm gonna see if any of these work to help me get this seat off. Okay, the first thing I gotta do is take this light off of here because I gotta get it off this pole. It's not wanna come off, does it? Geez, that's tight. Yeah, look at that thing. Check it out. I gotta put a battery in it or charge it. I gotta figure that out. Okay. So the question is, do I get under here? All right, so if you look under here, I got a bolt here and a bolt on the other side. I just got to get those loose. So it shouldn't be no big whoop. I think I got it.
Seat?
I think I got it. No,
is that the new seat?
No, that's an old seat.
Wait, it didn't look like that.
That's it.
That's the old seat.
Yep.
I thought it was bigger.
And look, it looks like it's brand new, you know? So, I mean, it's ridiculous.
What broke on it? I don't understand.
Those things that you had in your hand.
What are they for?
They're like, they go in the, they fit in back. Look, come over here, I'll show you. Look.
Oh.
See that?
Oh, I see.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, I gotta take that off of there.
But that looks like you just put it on there.
Yeah, it looks like it's brand new, but it's not. All right, I think I got it.
Is that seat expensive?
Yeah. I think it was, wasn't too expensive.
Huh?
I think it was like 15 bucks. All right, so I'm gonna use this ratchet, and we're gonna go ahead and tighten her down. Well, honey wants to help though, she really does.
No, I
No, she wants to help. So I gotta go lefty loosey to get it loose, right? Like this.
Alright, now.
She's doing laundry. It should be loose enough just to come off. And there it is, look. This broke on this one. And this one seems okay, but you know, they're made out of plastic, so, you know, what are you gonna do? See how it broke here? And so let's get the new, the seat's still good. It's just this. You know, I don't think you can just buy one piece. So let's put our new seat on. We may need to clean that off a little bit. All right, so I think I'm just gonna, I might lower my seat too. I don't really like it up this high. That's better than, I think I can get some more off of there. Probably should be wearing a mask. Don't want to breathe this. Okay, I think that's good enough. I think we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and get our new seat. Take a look at it. Comes with a bunch of tools. Here it is. This is the company. It's called TOSUOD. Of course, it's made in China. And there's the phone number and stuff. So let's get that off of there. And it kind of has the same system, right? You know, it goes in here. You loosen these bolts. So let's see if we can just get it on there. Well, first of all, I gotta bring this out. Gotta really loosen it. And I'll just kind of hand tighten it right for a second. And then this will go in here. And then you can kind of figure out where you want to have your seat. So you want to kind of have it level, right about there. That should work. Now we just got to tighten it down. So we got our ratchet, we just got to switch it. And then let's just get on here and we'll just tighten her. And it should just tighten it right into position. And then I got to get on it, feel it, see if I like it. You want to make sure this is on there because you don't want it slipping off while you're riding. I crank it down pretty good. Right now, before I go any farther, I want to make sure that it's not too high. 'Cause I think I got it a little bit high. So I'm going to just get on it and see what I think. Pull back a little bit. Yep. Still a little high. So I want it a little bit lower. So we got to loosen it. You know what I mean? And I think I want to bring this down a little bit. So I'm going to use this tool to loosen this and bring it down a little bit. You just got to find the right one. There we go. There we go. I'm just lefty-loosey. I'm just going to bring it down about there and then tighten it. Well, that should do it. Oops, don't want to do that. That's not good. But I think that might be tight enough. Here we go, maiden voyage. Let's see if I can figure this out. See if I like this. I'm not completely sold on it yet. What can I say? We gotta raise the nose. So the nose is this is too low. That's too low. All right, so I got it. I got it in the right direction. I just gotta loosen it. It's a process of, it takes a while. So let's try right about there. And switch it. Something's going on. Now let's try it and see if I like it. Leave the wrench right here because I may have to still adjust it. All right, so let's check it out. Here we go. I'm going to try her out, see what I think. I'm going to flip her around here. All right, so that's a different angle on it. Let's check it out. I think it's going to work. Alright, I think I still have to come up a little bit on the nose. Damn it. This has got to come up a little bit higher. It's a little uncomfortable. So let's go ahead. Lefty loosey again. Alright, let's try that. I think that may work. I think that's going to work. You can see this thing here just broke right there. And I mean, but the seat itself is good. It's too bad I can't just change out the mechanism because this seat is still good. But we're going to give it away. Put it over here. And they're going to come and take it. Fits in here. You see that? Just like that. And that's your tightener and your loosener. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So if I go this way, tighten it. If I go this way, loosen. This way, tighten. And that baby's tight, so we're good on that. And then this here, we want that even with this. This is slightly pitched up, so I think we're good. And this is a pretty comfortable seat. I think I'm going to enjoy it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on bikes. Peace out.